You stepmother made me sort this amount of beads all night long. How am I gonna get to the ball now?
Sammy, what are you saying? It's not like that. We're just preparing for the new craft.
Shush, Susie. They will see for themselves soon. Could you just play along?
Oh, okay. Everything should be ready in a minute.
So scary. I need to hurry up, friends. Here we go. Whoa! Oh, where is Sue? I have so many options in my head.
Hi there, what's up?
We're talking about our new craft. Look, do you like it?
But what is it for, Sammy? Tell us more.
It's the design of our beaded bag.
Wait, this won't do.
Hey!
You've prepared another design yesterday. This one.
Oh, whoops. I forgot. Friends, do you want to make a burger bag next time? Give us a thumbs up then. Whoa, what is it? Some kind of a delivery?
These are the beads. We'll use them to make a tasty watermelon pulp.
Susie, this is not enough. Take this and I'll bring some more.
Friends, what do you think Sam has in mind? He's so unpredictable, right?
Yes, big trucks, that's right. Waiting for you. Sue, it's coming soon. Now we have enough of the pulp and the peel.
Follow my lead, everyone. First, we'll take a green bead and thread the line through it.
Hey, bead, speed up. We have a long way to go.
Now we'll tie a knot like this. Hop and repeat.
No worries, Susan. I'll clean it up now. Out! Oh, out!
Wait, we'll need these colors soon. Don't take them away just yet. Here we'll use the same knot technique. You see? And hop.
Okay, and what comes next? Huh?
I'll show you how to get to the next row.
Wow, this should be interesting. I'm all eyes.
Hold the line till the end and keep working as we did before.
Do we really need that white part for our baggie?
We really do. This part of watermelon is rich in vitamins.
Wait, but it's not tasty. Can we skip it somehow?
Okay, stop whining. Let's just move to the sweet red part. We can already see the juicy pulp and a bit of a peel. Here we go. So, Sammy, do you like it?
What about the seeds? It won't look real without them.
And it will look boring, right? Let's add the seeds using black beads.
Oh, what a juicy watermelon. I taste it now. Sue, hurry up!
No, Sam, the bag is not ready yet. We've got to be patient. Friends, do you think our craft looks like a watermelon slice already?
Not really, Susie. Let's keep moving. But we're on the right way.
Oh, Sammy, I think I don't have enough line. What should I do?
Don't panic, Super Sam will save you. Aha!
Great, but what's next?
You just keep making our delicious watermelon. Didn't you get that? Huh?
But how should I do it?
I forgot. As soon as you thread it through, hide the line in the weaving.
Okay, I can do that. Friends, remember this new life hack.
By the way, I brought more beads. Beep, beep, make way.
Whoa, do we need that many? Sammy, I can see you. Where are you?
I'm here. So many things here. Take it. I helped you a bit.
Oh, my hero. Thanks. I can't do without you. Sammy is irreplaceable, right? Give him a thumbs up.
Friends, do you see it? This is the wrong watermelon. What is missing here? I don't see any hands.
Oh, I know, Professor Sam. We're missing the peel.
You're wrong, Susan. We're missing the other half.
Ta-da! Wow, look, they are identical. Can you find the difference? Maybe it's the taste?
Oh, no. Susie, give it to me. You'll make holes in the bag.
Relax, it was just a joke. How do we put them together, though?
We'll show it in a few seconds. Stay tuned, everyone. It's gonna be fun.
So now we're gonna add the green beads. We have so many of them.
Right. We need a lot to make the green peel. But I forgot, what do we start with?
I'll help you recollect. We need more line. Better take a longer one.
Exactly. We need to thread it through the lower beads. Here we go.
Hey, wrong can't wait. Come back here.
Wow!
Okay, now we'll insert the line into the opening of the last bead.
Woohoo! I did it! And I ordered a helicopter bead delivery! Wow!
Sammy, thank you. That's exactly what we need. For now, I'll take 3 of them. Hop. Watch closely. Here we'll make that kind of a loop.
Let me see now. Looks good.
Did you have any doubts? Friends, to continue our work, we'll thread another line through the bead, like this. This time we need just 2. And here comes the next stage. Sammy, look. I guess we're missing something. What do you think?
Holy cannoli. Sorry, I couldn't bear this beauty. Let me see though. What about this half?
Wow, it came out great. Do you agree, friends?
Now we need to put them together. Do you need more line?
Thanks. It's kind of heavy. Whoa, what's all this?
These are my helpers. I couldn't bring this line alone.
Aw, you're so modest. Can you bring a bead though?
I already did. Friends, do you like our bag? Give us a thumbs up.
And we'll keep weaving. The bead is already on the line. Now we'll thread it through the second part of our bag, this way. Let's add another bead to the line. Hop. And tighten the line inside crossways. And the bag is ready. Look, we can put a whole slime inside.
Hey, Sue, but how will you carry me?
We'll make the handle right now. Stay tuned, everyone.
Let's measure the length of the handle. Sue, show me your arm, and I'll...
Sammy, what are you doing? We'll measure the length differently. Let's see. I guess this length will work just fine. But we're gonna need lots and lots of line.
And even more beads!
Just don't change the shape. Look carefully.
Susie, is it ready yet? I can't wait already!
Check this out. Do you like it?
Is that all? Are you kidding me?
It was just a joke. Here it is. Totally ready.
Great! Let's fit it now! Here! Looks awesome!
Not bad, Sammy, but let's move it a little bit.
Okay, you're right. Let it be so.
Let's attach it then. We'll thread the line through the lower bead.
Da-da-da-da-da. Oh, holy cannoli, it's so much work.
We'll fix it right here and done. Hop. Looks really cool, don't you think so? Now we'll just tuck the ends of the line to fix everything really good. That's easy.
Pull it to yourself, Sue, and I'll pull it to the other side.
Check out what we've got already. Click.
Ew, that was a hard one. So, shall we proceed?
I think it looks fantastic. What do you think, friends? Give us a thumbs up if you agree.
Sue, let's show what we can put inside.
Sure. We'll fill it up with just necessary stuff. We can go outside and write down everything we want. Don't forget the glasses. Voila!
Oh, Sue, what if I want to take pictures?
No problem. A smartphone fits perfectly inside too. Check this out. Oh, where is it? I looked everywhere in this house. It just disappeared. Here. No, maybe
You'll
here.
never find it, Sue.
Why,
Wow.
you? Tell me right now. I'm late for the date.
Okay. Hey, it's here. I'm being honest.
Oh, here it is. Wait, it's just a regular watermelon piece.
I'm sure I hid it right here. Oh, shiver me cheddars, where is it?
Oh, I found it. Phew. Yay! So I have to hurry up now. My cell phone is with me. Bye, Sammy. Bye, everyone. See you around.
And I will have a snack. Friends, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and bye!